Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Senior Vice President of Investment Banking at Barita Investments, Therese Kettle, told RJ News recently that the raising of the ceiling on the amount which can be raised by companies on the junior stock market from 500 to 750 million Jamaican dollars will lead to an increase in the market capitalization of these companies. She argues that more companies will then be going to the stock market to raise the extra $250 million permitted under the new regulations, which became effective on March 3, because interest rates will remain high due to acceleration in global inflation caused by the current trade war. That said, data released by the Jamaica Stock Exchange indicates that the market value of the companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange junior market now stands at $441 billion. Tennyson Arnold has been appointed Group Chief Operations Officer of Proven, a Caribbean investment company. As Group COO, Tennyson will be responsible for overseeing Proven's operational functions across its subsidiaries and investment holdings in Jamaica, St. Lucia, Barbados, the Cayman Islands, and Bermuda. He will lead efforts in process reengineering, digital modernization, cost optimization, and operational alignment, supporting the group's long-term growth strategy and commitment to shareholder value. His career also spanned senior leadership roles at major regional entities such as Caribbean Broilers, Jamaica Money Market Brokers, and Jamaica Public Service Company. Also in corporate movements, the Jamaica Security Dealers Association has announced the election of its new executive body following its annual general meeting, which took place last Wednesday. Re-elected for a third consecutive term as president is Ramon Small Ferguson, Chief Executive Officer of Barita Investments Limited and Managing Director of Barita Unit Trust Management Company. He will continue to lead the association with a strong focus on advancing Jamaica's capital markets. For the trading period ending May 5, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 1,856,628 units traded, representing 18.58% of market sales volume. Billboard advertising and real estate developer Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 1,252,072 units traded, representing 12.53% of market sales volume. Alternative energy distributor Wigton Energy Limited with 1,224,328 units traded, representing 12.25% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On May 5, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $57.76 million purchased and US $68.7 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.55 per dollar, selling the US at $159.53 and buying the US at $157.98. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $2.72 per transaction, with selling at $115.60 and buying at $112.88. The British pound yielded Forex traders $4.78 in profits, with selling at $210.85 and buying at $206.07. For our credit report tip of the day, if you're serious about growing a business, expanding your income, or creating long-term financial security, then your credit score isn't just a personal finance number, it's a strategic asset. Here are two options to consider. First, you can separate personal and business credit. Build business credit more easily once your personal credit is strong and shows responsibility. Next, get approved for equipment financing. Whether it's salon chairs or delivery trucks, your credit can be your co-signer. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step towards your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.